Well, a good hump day to you. It's Dan. I want to welcome everyone to my home in the sticks, and I hope everybody's having a good Wednesday. But over here in East Central Mississippi, it's going to get hot today. We're going to get up in maybe the low 80s. Before we get started on today's video, I'm always going to say that if you are new to the channel, I want to welcome you. And if you return and just see what old Dan's got going on over her, I sure enough thank you for coming back. Well, what I want to share with you and y'all today is we're going to take a look at a product that a company sent out to me. So give me a second, and that's what we finna do's. Okay, Dan, who sent you something to check out? The company in question is GrubTerra. They were gracious enough and nice enough to send me out a 5-pound bag of their black soldier fly larvae. Okay, Dan, what's the dealio with that? You and y'all that have been following the channel know that I have a few animals over here, and I do have a flock of yard birds, chickens. I rely on these chickens, these hens, to lay eggs because, of course, I eat them and I sell some. I've done quite a bit of research on this company itself, and I tell you right off the bat that I was impressed on what they're trying to do. Mainly, they are cutting back on landfill waste, food waste that goes to landfills. So of course they use the food waste to cultivate the fly larva. Black fly larva is dried out and it is used as, in my application, it's used as treats for my chickens. Black fly larva is kind of similar to a mealworm, but the one thing that outdoes the black fly larva is the calcium, and it is 75% calcium. The chickens can uptake that calcium rather quickly. We all know that yard birds like to get out and scratch and do their foraging. They eat small rocks, a lot of green stuff, grass, and even if you give them greens to eat. But one of their big things that they really like are bugs. And this is where this comes into play. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna bust this bag open and we're gonna see how the chickens like it. And I'm pretty sure they're gonna like it. So let's do that. Well, y'all know something's up, don't you? Some say they digging the GrubTerra product, sure enough. Well, there you have it. Lord of mercy. I think these chickens love the GrubTerra product. Now, it's really good and important to note that fly larvae are good for the chickens in the sense that it contains a lot of calcium. The chickens can uptake that calcium real quick, which is going to lead to stronger eggs. The eggs, the shells themselves are going to be a little bit stronger. And also it's going to help with their feathers. And jokers, I have some pretty feathers. On another note, these fly larvae are a treat. It's just something to supplement what you give your chickens. So a handful every other day and you're good to go. This isn't something that you feed them 24/7. It's just a treat. Dan, would you recommend the GrubTerra products, especially the black soldier fly larvae? Yes, I would. My chickens thoroughly enjoy it, and in the long run, it's gonna help them out a lot. Again, thanks to GrubTerra. My little disclaimer, I am not paid to say this, nor am I being endorsed by GrubTerra. It's just something that they sent me just to try out and review, and I like it. I'd imagine once I get finished with this 5-pound bag, I'll probably buy another bag for my hens over here. For my application, I think this is a little bit more cheaper than going to Tractor Supply and buying the mealworms. And on another note, my chickens are uptaking the nutrients a lot faster this way versus the mealworms. So again, I hope everybody is having a good Wednesday, and I hope everybody stays safe today amid this crisis that we still have going on. If y'all like this video, go and give it a thumbs up to help. If you haven't subscribed to the Home and Sticks channel, Lord mercy, y'all need to come on over and give old Dan a look. I'm always doing stuff. With that being said, you know it's coming, Dan reference show enough. Always gon' say it. Don't let nobody dull your shine. And I mean nobody. You sure enough get your shine on. Be you, it's important. And Dan will see you and y'all in the next video.